We are happy to acknowledge the Academic Excellence Awards for freshmen, sophomores, juniors in science, vocational technical studies, mathematics, and English.
Academic Excellence Awards are presented to students for their performance in agriculture education, business and computer studies, Spanish, and French.
Academic Excellence Awards are presented to students for their performance in Latin, Russian, visual arts, and physical education.
Academic Excellence Awards are presented to students for their accomplishments in social studies, the performing arts, and family and consumer studies.
Although previously announced, we would like to acknowledge special awards such as the Harvard Book Award being presented to Shrugby Namula, the Rensselaer Medal Award presented to Samuel Dupuis, and the Clarkson University Achievement Award presented to Cadence Howard.
Congratulations to the juniors achieving honor roll status for 3 consecutive terms this year.
Congratulations to the many sophomores achieving honor roll status for 3 consecutive terms this year.
Congratulations to the freshmen achieving honor roll status for 3 consecutive terms this year.
Congratulations to the listed juniors for their exemplary attendance.
Congratulations to the list of sophomores for their exemplary attendance.
Congratulations to the listed freshmen for exemplary attendance. Congratulations to all our award winners for their hard work and effort this year.
Thank you for again joining me this morning to share some time with you. This is our last Underclassmen Assembly of the year. This has certainly been a year to remember, but in the process, many of us have learned some valuable life lessons. Thanks again to our faculty and staff and to you for being and making this all work in a very positive manner. Congratulations to our students for participating in spring activities. You have shown with your coaches and advisors continued growth and development while having to deal with some difficult protocols of the day. And during this time, you've actually been able to have fun in the process. Congratulations to many of our student body for demonstrating excellence in academics, attendance, and personal expectations. The many awards is a credit to you and to our student school community. We have a few more important messages to share with you this morning. The first we'd like to share with you is some very important information about our track and field team.
Coe-Brown girls. Congratulations.
Addison Cox going to get the big trophy.
MVP right there.
That's awesome.
Congratulations, Coe-Brown. Wyndham's got the state championship in their sights.
Oh my.
Here comes Kasich.
Winner, the 2021 Division II champion in boys track and field, Coe-Brown, 112 points.
2 Division II state records, 2 team state championships. Coe-Brown with the sweep.
We're so very proud of our girls and boys track and field teams, and congratulations on a very outstanding year. Now we'd like to introduce Mr. Gompert, Mr. Klaus, representing film.
Some people say such creatures represent souls, the souls of ones we've loved, but I'm not so sure. These moments, they come and go as they please. Monarchs are born and they grow. They learn to fly, and as soon as they do, they fly through our lives. They touch the noses of everyone they can.
Congratulations to Gabe Hendershot. Outstanding job. Now we'd like to introduce Mr. Klaus, representing the Spanish National Honor Society. Congratulations to members of the Spanish National Honor Society for your many awards. What a great day to be so happy about the things we have and not worried about the things that we do not have. And on that note, have a nice Tuesday and summer.